Hello, Chef here. So here we got one of these awesome beets. This is a fresh beet and I have roasted it. I'm gonna give it a quick peeling and show you what you can do with these things. Really, really nice. Color is amazing. It's a superfood. Many of you know that already. The effects and the properties are really strong from what these root vegetables can give you. You can use them in a variety of different applications. I'm going to make a quick appetizer here today. All right. Oh, and the peelings aren't getting wasted. Give them to the neighbor's livestock. So, yeah, this superfood's going to just keep going. Really, really nice. And that's it right there. Look at that beautiful beet. Okay, now that I've peeled this beet, it's looking really good. I've switched to the larger knife for some slices. I'm going to take the first one right off like this. Okay. Very nice. And I'm going to do just a couple of thin slices to show you how beautiful this is, as well as how nice the knife cuts. Okay, you can't do this with just any old knife. This is the Turbo, and the thing about it is special German steel, special angle, allows you to cut items thinner, faster, and more efficiently. So look at the pattern in there. Very, very nice. I like it. And I'm going to move that aside and show you what I got here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 nice slices. Almost paper thin. Really, really nice. Now you can do a lot of different things with this. I'm going to save these 3 for an appetizer. And I'm going to cut them in half. So now I have 6 beautiful pieces here. I want to show you just how nice these are. Okay. Real quickly, we could make a rose. Just give them a little fold like this. Keep going like this. Was not my intention, but I figured it's looking like it already. So we might as well put a rose together here real quickly and move on. Okay, there you go, fresh beet rose. Okay, so these other pieces I'm going to do a really quick julienne cut. There we go. Julienne of beets. Okay, would look pretty good with appetizer, maybe some sushi. Nice.